Hey, e-commerce store owners, do you want to know the fastest way you can scale up your e-commerce business? It's easier than you think. We are seeing revenue of e-commerce sellers soar by 10 times the revenue in a matter of weeks. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that, so if you are not selling products online, please skip this ad. Did you know that most e-commerce businesses fail because they don't have enough cash flow? I want to show you how to increase your revenue quickly by obtaining funding so you can increase sales and revenue quickly. Yes, that's right. The funding from Fundwise Capital can be the fastest way for you to scale your e-commerce business. With our lender matching platform, you can get credit lines at 0% interest. Are you tired of not being able to grow because of lack of capital? Are you looking to double, triple, or 10x your revenue? What would happen if you had an extra $25,000 to $150,000 with 0% interest for a year? How would that change your business and your life? Then click on the button. It only takes 30 seconds to get started and will provide you a free quote with how much you can get. There's no risk to your credit to get a pre-approval. We know your pain because we have worked with hundreds of e-commerce business owners and Amazon sellers that are in the same situation you are. We've secured over $200 million in funding for online sellers, startups, and small business owners. And we were in that same situation where we needed funding to grow our own business. We used to struggle to afford any kind of marketing when we first started our business. When we went through our own funding program, we then saw a 1,000% increase in revenue during the next 12 months. We are a product of our own product, and we see it working extremely well for e-commerce sellers. Soraya, one of the many e-commerce store owners that went through our funding program, was able to get money at 0% interest for a year. She had already searched other funding options, and she even asked family members for help. She was referred to Fundwise Capital by a friend, and in 2 weeks she was able to buy all the inventory that she needed before the Christmas shopping season. She sold out of all of her inventory and is able to get her credit lines and use them over and over to increase revenue quickly. If you are even just a little bit curious how much funding you can get, it takes 30 seconds to fill out a quick questionnaire, and there's no effect to your credit to see how much you can get. You get a free quote, and if you choose to get funding, it's a quick, easy process. Click on the button to get started right now. Our lender matching platform gets you the best money you can qualify for, guaranteed. After filling out the questionnaire, you'll get a brief call from one of our funding experts to find out how much you can get at 0% interest. The only requirement for applying is you need a 680 or higher credit score with about 2 years of credit history. If you have that, you are a great candidate for 0% interest funding. If your credit score is not high enough, but you're doing $10,000 or more in revenue each month, you may also have some funding options there as well. So once again, to get started, click the Visit Advertiser button to fill out the short 30-second questionnaire. We'll be contacting you right away to see how much you can get so you can quickly scale your e-commerce business. We have hundreds of 5-star reviews and an A+ with the Better Business Bureau. Click the button now to see how much you can get, and we are looking forward to helping you scale your business.